the secret to making AI tools actually useful, giving them a clean way to return results back to the model. You'll see exactly how to process tool calls, execute the right functions, and package the responses so the AI can understand and use them. This is where raw function calls become meaningful conversation.
From LangChain, messages import tool message. Def tool node state, dict. It performs the tool call. Result equals. For tool call in state messages -1, tool calls. Tool equals tools by name tool call name. Observation equals tool. Invoke tool call args. Result, append tool message. Content equals observation. Tool call ID equals tool call ID. Return messages. Result.
This demonstrates the tool execution pattern in agent workflows, where an LLM orchestrates external function calls. The concept separates decision-making from action execution, with the model determining which tools to use and the tool node handling the actual operations. What makes this distinctive is the clean division between the LLM's reasoning layer and the deterministic tool execution layer. The pattern works through a cyclical workflow where the model generates tool calls, the tool node executes them, and results feed back into the model's context. This creates a feedback loop that continues until the model produces a final answer without tool calls. The design principle here is modularity. Each component handles one responsibility, making the system more maintainable and testable. This approach matters because it solves the problem of integrating deterministic tools with probabilistic models. It enables complex workflows where an AI can dynamically chain operations without hard-coded sequences. The trade-off is increased latency from the round-trip communication, but the flexibility to handle unpredictable multi-step tasks makes it valuable for agentic systems. Let's break it down line by line.
From LangChain, messages import tool message.
Imports tool message to format tool execution results as structured messages. In this code, each tool's output is wrapped in a tool message, with content for the result and tool called for tracing, and collected in the result list, which gets returned as part of the state update. This ensures the LLM receives properly formatted tool responses for continued processing.
Def tool node state, dict.
This tool node function processes pending tool invocations from the last message in the conversation state. It executes each tool call sequentially using the registered tools, collects the results as tool message objects, and returns them in the state to continue the workflow. The implementation assumes tools by name is a predefined mapping of tool names to callable tool instances.
It performs the tool call.
Docstring declaring this function's purpose, processing tool calls, serves as both documentation and a clear contract for what this node handles in the workflow.
Result equals.
Initializes an empty list to accumulate tool message objects. This will store all observations from tool calls before returning them as a batch response.
For tool call in state messages -1, tool calls.
This loop sequentially processes each tool call from the most recent message, state messages -1, tool calls, invoking the corresponding tool with its arguments, and collecting results as tool message objects with preserved call IDs. The actual parallel execution happens at the tool node level not shown here, while this code handles the sequential iteration and response formatting.
Tool equals tools by name tool call name.
This looks up the actual tool implementation by name from the tools by name registry. The dictionary acts as a tool dispatcher, mapping tool names to their executable functions, enabling dynamic invocation based on the AI's request.
Observation equals tool. Invoke tool call args.
This invokes the actual tool with the provided arguments. The invoke method executes the tool's logic and returns the result, which becomes the observation the AI will see in the next step. This is where the tool's work actually happens.
Result, append tool message. Content equals observation. Tool call ID equals tool call ID.
This constructs a tool message for each tool call result, packaging the observation output with its corresponding tool call ID. The ID links responses back to their original tool invocations, enabling proper message routing in the conversation flow. This pattern maintains the tool call response contract required by LangChain's message handling system.
Return messages. Result.
Returns the tool responses in the required state format. The dictionary structure with a messages key maintains consistency with LangChain's state management pattern, ensuring proper integration with the workflow. Langgraph tool execution pattern. The tool node function demonstrates the core pattern for executing A-requested tools, processing tool message, objects that bridge model requests with tool responses. Each tool call must return a properly formatted tool message with the original tool called, or the workflow state will desynchronize. This pattern forms the foundation for building reactive, tool-integrated AI systems where models dynamically invoke external capabilities.
The call that returns no answer speaks the deepest truth.